Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, we will see the important built-in modules in Python. Let us import the built-ins, which is the built-in module in Python, which consists of the built-in modules, methods, and some of the errors and exceptions which are available in Python. Let us import and then use the directory method to display the list of built-in modules, methods, and objects in Python. Here we can see the list of built-ins in Python. It is displaying in alphabetical order. If we do not mention any objects or methods or classes inside the directory method, then the directory method will display methods, classes, functions, attributes, and methods, and also the variables available in the local scope. So here we can see and the directory method without any object inside it. In the current local scope, we can see these many attributes and methods because we have used not module in not underscore operation and some of the built-in methods inside these modules. Hence, it is displaying the list of available methods and attributes in the local scope. And also we can see OS. Let us look at the OS module. OS module in Python provides functions for creating and removing a directory or folder. We can fetch its contents, we can change, and we can identify the current directory using this OS module. So in order to do that, we need to import the OS module to interact with the operating system. So let us import the OS module using the import method. We have successfully imported the operating system module. To get the current working directory, we need to use get working directory function, which confirms and returns the current working directory. OS dot get current working directory. So here we can see the current working directory. Currently we are working in Udemy Python tutorial and in Python underscore modules. This is the current working directory where we are working. We can create a new directory using os dot make directory function and by specifying the physical directory name. Let us create one directory in the current working directory inside the string. For example, my module directory. So the directory has been created inside the current working directory. So look at here under Python underscore modules, one directory has been created, my module. Here I have just mentioned the directory name without any specific path name. So by default, if you do not specify the whole path in the make directory function, it will create the specific directory in the current working directory or drive. Here the current working directory is Python underscore modules. Inside we have created one physical directory. Let us specify the path and create the directory inside Udemy Python tutorial and specifying the directory name. For example, my module 2. So the directory my module 2 has been created inside the Udemy Python tutorial. Let us go back to that directory and see the module created. So in order to do that, we have to change the current working directory. Currently we are in Python underscore module, hence we cannot see the module created in Udemy Python tutorial directory. So in order to move to that directory, we need to use change directory function, change directory function, that is change directory. Inside that we have to specify the path to be changed. Let us use the path, this one, where we have created the directory my module 2. So we have successfully changed our directory from Python underscore module to Udemy Python tutorial. Let us look at the directory using get current working directory. So it will show the current working directory where we are. Let us press F9. So here we can see currently we are in Udemy underscore Python underscore tutorial. In order to move back from the current working directory to the parent directory, we have to use double dot as the argument in the change directory method, that is ys dot change directory, and inside that we have to use the double dash. Let us run this and then see where we are using the get working directory, get current working directory. So here we can see we are in the parent directory. So parent directory is nothing but the F drive in our case. Let us run this codes once again and see what happens. Once again we are in the parent directory. Let us change back to this directory using change directory method. Now we are in this Python tutorial method. So we can see we are in the Udemy Python tutorial directory, where we have the created directory, that is my module 2. The list of all the files and directories in the specified directory, we have to use list directory method. So currently we are in Udemy underscore Python underscore tutorial. Let us use the os dot list directory method. If you do not mention the path, the list directory method will display the list of files and directories available in the current working directory. So in this current working directory, that is Python Udemy Python tutorial, we have all these files and directories, and here we can see the directory what we have created, my module 2. Let us specify the path, that is this one, Python module, and see the list of available methods and directories and files. So here we can see built-in modules py, math underscore operation dot py. These are the files, Python files, and my module as the directory name, and also the hidden file underscore underscore pykc underscore underscore. So this method, list directory method, will list the files and subdirectories present in the specific location. If you do not mention the specific location, then it will display the list of files and subdirectories in the current working directory. Let us see how to remove a directory we have created. In order to remove the specific directory or subdirectory we have created, we need to use the remove directory method. Let us check the current working directory where we are. So we are in Udemy Python underscore tutorial. Let us remove the directory we have created, that is my module 2, using the remove method or remove function, and specifying the location where the file or subdirectory is located. Since currently we are in this location, udemy underscore python underscore tutorial, you can directly mention the module name or directory name to remove. So in this location, udemy underscore python underscore tutorial, we have my module 2 directory. Let us remove it using the remove directory method, because currently we are in this directory. So we have successfully removed my module 2 directory. Let us use the os.list directory method to see whether this removed directory exists or not. Here we can see there is no module name my module 2 because just now we have removed it. Let us move back to the current working directory using the change directory method. Specify the location. See the list of directories, or we can use the current working directory, get current working directory method to see where we are. So we are inside our current working directory, that is python underscore module. This is how we can work with the Python OS module, that is operating system. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you inside the next lesson.